Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 Jeep Cherokee Limited. This one's red. Underneath the hood is a 3.2 V6 with 271 horsepower. For wheels we've got 18-inch multi-spoke wheels. Cherokee badging on the side. Tan leather interior. Panorama sunroof. 4x4 limited badging, trailer hitch, power lift gate, 60/40 fold down rear seats, blind spot assist, keyless entry, power windows, power seats, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, push start ignition, rear view backup camera with sensors, touchscreen media display, dual climate controls, auxiliary SD card port, USB port, different driving modes. This Jeep has 48,904 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Jeep Cherokee, visit us at feldmanimports.com.